What's the meaning of bartender? Bartender. Bartender.
Bartender. Bartender. A bartender is a person who serves alcoholic beverages at a bar or in a restaurant. They are responsible for preparing and serving a variety of drinks, including beer, wine, liquor, and cocktails. In addition to mixing and serving drinks, bartenders are often tasked with managing the bar's inventory, ensuring that patrons are served responsibly, and maintaining a clean and welcoming atmosphere. They may also engage in conversation with customers, provide recommendations on drinks, and handle cash and credit card transactions. Bartending can be a fast-paced and social job, requiring excellent customer service skills and a knowledge of various types of alcohol and mixology.